Hey everybody, this is Modern Refugee. Out here doing a little work in my garage today. Got a fire going. You can kind of see how cold it is out here. Um, Starting to get some frost and stuff. But I wanted to talk to you guys today something that I keep in my preps. It's kind of a vehicle repair related items, and what they are is they're stop leaks. They're different products that you can get fairly reasonably that don't require any real wrenching on anything, but they can kind of hold you over until you can get a regular repair job done and kind of in an SHTF situation. I think that might be important. And the first one here is a epoxy putty. And what this epoxy putty is it's in a tube. There's two different compounds here, and you take this out and you work this in with your hands like a modeling clay, and that kind of activates it. And then you use this, you just stick it on wherever the leak is, whether it's on a pipe or like a leaking gas tank or something. And I've actually used this product bunch of different times. A couple different companies make it. This is a JB Weld brand right here, and what it does is it makes a permanent patch on once it hardens on whatever it is that you repaired, like a gas tank or a like I said, on pipes or plumbing. And it's not very expensive. This stuff's about $4 a tube. I always keep a couple tubes of this around the house, plus I keep one of these in my vehicle with my toolkit in there. Just one of those things that's come in handy many times over the years. I kind of like to prep for things that I've seen before. I've seen a lot of different stuff leak before, and this is a real good product to have. And like I said, it's only about $4. Something, like I said, something I haven't really seen on any other preparedness channels. And here's another one here. This is another stop leak. This is about $4 a bottle as well. This works for both oil, transmission, or power steering. Like I said, if you notice like a power steering pump or something is leaking and you don't want that to burn out or whatever, you can dump some of this in, and that's going to help kind of stop that leak. Used this stuff before too on power steerings and stuff over the years. And it does work. It works good. It's fairly reasonable until you can get parts and change that stuff out. Like I said, it doesn't require any wrenching whatsoever. You just kind of open it up and dump it in. That's kind of why I like something like this. Folks that don't have a lot of mechanical experience or something, they're the ones that can benefit from this kind of stuff the most, because like I said, you don't really need any mechanical experience to use it. I had kind of a mechanic friend of mine let me in on some of this stuff years ago, and I've been kind of keeping this stuff around ever since. And this one right here I kind of believe is the most important one. This is kind of a liquid copper compound, and what this can be used for is using to stop leaks in either radiators, head gaskets, intake manifold gaskets. And I've actually used this stuff before too, and I've actually had really good luck with this stuff. This stuff goes in, circulates throughout the cooling system, and it bonds with the metal that's in there, and it will stop small leaks. And if you got a small head gasket leak where you're like leaking antifreeze and your vehicle's overheating and stuff, and as long as it's not real bad, this stuff will work. And like I said, I had a mechanic friend of mine kind of let me in on this stuff years ago, and this stuff has worked for me. Like I said, I kind of like to prep for things that I've seen before. I just kind of wanted to mention these items. You know, these things don't cost a lot. Those three items that I got right there are less than $20, and you don't need to keep a lot of them. Just a one-time usage, but it will help you out in a pinch until you can get a regular repair made. But anyway, just kind of wanted to bring that stuff up. Just some real basic vehicle maintenance stuff that you can keep in your preps. Vehicles are kind of important, and after something happens, who knows whether or not you're going to be able to get to the auto parts store to fix something. And most people around here where I live, they all drive used vehicles. There is no new vehicles or anything, and everybody kind of just has to patch their stuff up to go. So I kind of wanted to mention this to you guys. Hopefully you guys got a little information out of this here. But anyway, just want to say thank you to all my subscribers out there. Hope you guys are enjoying my videos, getting a little information, a little entertainment out of my stuff here, just kind of sharing what I know about prepping and things that I do here. But anyway, this is Modern Refugee. I appreciate all you guys. You guys have a great day.